The fact that you're talking to a CISO about digital experiences is really good. Think of it this way. When that CISO wants to push a new policy, they're going to be able to use DEX to determine how much of an impact that policy is having. So you can see that in maybe the ticket volumes that come out. So as we're rolling out this new technology, we could be watching the pilot group that we're using for this very closely and see overall how this change is impacting that group. If you do this well, a security group should be able to roll out new technologies, changes, policies, and be able to get better visibility into that experience to ultimately avoid, another challenge that a lot of organizations have, which is called shadow IT. Obviously, you would start to impact users too much. They're going to then find ways around it. So, Pat, the stat about 49% of C-level executives deliberately bypassing security measures is a direct result of that. If a mature DEX experience would have been in play there, that could have been avoided. You could have looked at that and made it so that you understood the user experience and you improved it. So going back to passwords, a great technology that's trying to improve that password experience is eliminating the password altogether. That is the weakness in that digital experience. None of us want to remember 30 passwords. None of us want to change that on a regular basis. So if we can eliminate the password and use other strong authentication types like biometrics or certificates, phone as a token, those things can become the authentication mechanism. And that's easy for me. Scanning a QR code, getting a push notification, accepting that, I don't have to remember a password anymore. We create a great digital experience and improve security at the same time. So that's that. I like the direction that we're going and the types of conversations that are coming up.